Hey guys, welcome here, and in today's video it's another DIY video for you guys. So today I will be doing another DIY video. So before I will be sharing with you guys the materials and all. So I would like to welcome all of you here in my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lorena and this channel is a friendly channel. It's a DIY channel and it's a beauty channel as well. So yeah, like what I said, I will be doing a DIY flower backdrop for the event tomorrow. So I will be showing you guys the materials that we'll be needing for the decors or for the flower backdrop that I'm going to make. First off, I will be showing you guys the frame for the backdrop. This one right here, this is my new frame that I got it from eBay. The measurement of this one is 3 meter long and 2.8 meter height. But this frame right here is adjustable, so you can adjust it whatever size of your backdrop. So I got this from eBay here in Australia. So I will show it to you later, guys, the actual setup of that backdrop frame. So, and the next materials that we'll be needing for the flower decors is this. This is a garden wall decor for your garden, but you can use this whatever you like. So today I will be using this. You just grab two to put your flower decors right here. If you love gardening, so you can put this on your wall and hang your flowers here. But for DIY flower, you can use this as well. So this garden wall decor, I also bought this from eBay, and what I'm gonna do with it, I'm going to use a glue gun to stick this one right here. The reason why I want to try this one, para easy lang siya i-hook somewhere. Not like when you use a cardboard, you need to make a hole for your ziplock. So parang matrabaho pa siya kapag yun yung gagamitin mo. Not like this one, there's already hole anywhere on this piece right here. So yeah. Alright, and then next materials we are needing for the decors is this one is ziplock, and then we need a glue gun, and of course glue stick. Now I will be setting up the backdrop para I will know how much or what is the length that I need to do the setup tomorrow or on the weekend. So yeah, so for the event setup that I'm going to do tomorrow, so most of the decors are already ready. The only thing that I'm going to do right now is this flower backdrop right here. So I will probably working until late tonight. So here is the first stand for the backdrop. Just loosen this one up. The good thing of this backdrop, guys, is sturdy. So this is my second frame already. The first frame that I got, the measurement of that one is only 2 by 2 meter. So I got the brand new one, 3 meter by 2.8 meter. So look at the legs of this one. It's massive. So yeah. That's the first leg, and here's the second one. So that's the to stand. So now we need to set up. So the reason why I need to set up the backdrop frame, guys, so that I know how many of these that will cover for the 3 meter long size of the backdrop frame. Kaya I really need to do setting up this one first, then I will determine or know kung ilan yung magagamit ko for the backdrop bars. So when you do it, just press the button down. That's that. And also this one right here. So, yan yung kanyang itsura. Then, when you remove this one, you need to just press these two together, then pull it up. Like that. So, there's a hole there. That's where you're going to put this. So, merong leftover na 1 bar. So, probably that's enough to cover the... This is the backdrop for tomorrow. So, if you add this more, it's too long. So what I'm gonna do, I will just attach 2 by 2. And then tomorrow in the event setup, I will connect them together because I don't know how to transport them kapag kinunik mo na silang 4. So I will just do 2 by 2 and then so I will use the smaller size. So here I already pre-arranged the flowers so that you already have the visual of how your backdrop looks like before you gluing them one by one. The procedure is pretty much easy. Just glue and stick the flowers to the flower wall decor. Some of the flowers that I've used here are from the baby shower and the wedding proposal that I did previously, and the giant flowers are just recently made. And guys, if you are interested to know how I did these flowers, I will link the video below in the description box. Please check it out. After placing and sticking all the flowers, you can stop here, but for me, I want this backdrop to look realistic, so I will be adding greenery and leaves all over the backdrop, just to cover up all the gaps in between of the flowers. You can buy the greenery and leaves of your choice, but make sure guys that it will complement to your paper flowers. So yeah. So this greenery right here, I got it from our local cheap store called Silly Solis. So I got 2 bunches of these for $3 each. Just cut the stem using scissors, or you can use a wire cutting tool. Then next, grab your glue gun and glue and stick these greenery pieces to the top part of your flower backdrop. So now our backdrop looks realistic by just adding this greenery. It helps our backdrop to pop more and it adds booba boom effect. In short, beautiful. So here's now our finished realistic paper flower backdrop. I am pleased that the flower backdrop turned out so good. So alright guys, that's it for this DIY paper flower backdrop. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are a DIY fanatic, you can save this video to your playlist for your future reference. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the bell for me so that you will be notified every time I have new video. It's either a beauty related video or a DIY video like this one. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah.